Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create an email marketing campaign with Constant Contact. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Log into your Constant Contact account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. From your dashboard, click on the email option. Select Create to start a new email campaign. Choose a template that suits your campaign's goals. Browse through the available designs and select one that resonates with your brand. Once you've chosen a template, click on Continue. This will take you to the email editor. Enter a compelling subject line for your email. Make it catchy and relevant to your audience. Next, customize the email content by clicking on text boxes. You can add your brand's logo at the top of the email. Use the editing tools to change font styles, sizes, and colors as needed. Drag and drop additional content blocks to add images, buttons, or social media links. Make sure your content is clear and engaging. Once satisfied with the content, preview the email by clicking on the Preview button. This will show you what your email will look like on desktop and mobile devices. After the preview, make any necessary adjustments. When everything looks perfect, click on Next. Now, you'll enter the Select Recipients section. Choose your audience from your contact lists. You can also segment your audience based on specific criteria. Click Next to move on to the Schedule section. Here, you can choose to send your email immediately or schedule it for later. Select the date and time you want your email to be sent. Finally, review all your settings on the summary page. If everything is correct, click the Send Now or Schedule button. Your email marketing campaign is now ready to go. Monitor the campaign's performance through the Analytics section later on. This will help you understand engagement and open rates for future improvements. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.